Everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, September 19th. Hi everyone, hope you had a wonderful week. I did not get too much crafty things. I went to Ollie's and got some stuff there, but I figured I'd show you like everything I got this week just in case you're curious. And since I have very little crafty things to show you, I figured why not? So yeah, let's get started. First, I want to show you some things I got from Walmart. This could be crafty related actually. This is a Harvest Plaid 20-gallon storage bag. This was in the like houseware section. It was on an end cap by like towels and kitchen towels, stuff like that. And it also came in a Halloween print and then some like basic colors. And this was for something close to $5. I figured this would be great for holiday decor, but you could also put like your fall paper crafting stuff in there. So yeah, I thought I would show that to you because I think this is going to be really handy because I need storage all the time for stuff. You guys probably do too. And then I picked this up in the new like Pioneer seasonal section. They're just putting it out in my store for like fall plates and things like that, but I thought this cake stand was so pretty. Isn't this beautiful? I love the scallop trim on it. This is the tag in case you want to take a look online. It's probably there. It's called Scalloped Wood Cake Stand and it was 16 whatever. So it should be food safe, I would think, because it is a cake stand. It says handle with care. Oh, it is food safe. Okay, wipe clean with damp cloth. I'm not really planning to put food on it. I thought it'd be really nice for decor, put like a little vignette or something on there. So I got that there too. And then, I got the cutest PJs. These I got from Walmart.com actually. They'll probably be in the store, but they're not there right now. So they're by Joy Spun. And the top and the bottoms come separate. Look at that cute little print, right? With the gingerbread guys and whisks and oven mitts and cookies and poinsettias and bows, and it's so soft. So these are the pants, and the shirt looks like this, and it's soft but not heavy, so I think that'll be nice because these days I'm always hot, especially at night, so I think this will be good in the winter. I saw on TikTok that this also comes in like a shorty pajama set, so I'm going to keep an eye out for that as well. But I think each piece was like $12 or so. I will try to remember to link this down below. Anything else I can find, actually, I will link down below. But this I definitely got online. That is it from Walmart. And let me show you what I got from Ollie's. It was so funny. I went last Saturday to Ollie's. And I was walking in with another woman, and we both headed to like the American Crafts paper or the American Crafts closeout table. So we got to talking, and she told me she's a junk journaler, and I told her, I do like paper crafts, not junk journals. And so I told her my YouTube channel, and she started following me, and we were just chatting the whole time while we were looking at stuff. So it was so nice to meet you, Kathy, if you're watching. So it's always nice to meet a crafty kindred spirit, as she said, which I agree. All right, so we didn't find too much there. They had like alphas galore, alphas as far as the eye could see, but I never used them, so I didn't get them. And they did have a few boxes of basil paper. They had this color, which is called, I can't even see that, whatever it is. It's a dark brown, the textured paper. And these were 25 cents each. So I got 4 of those, which is a good deal. When they were on sale at Joann's, they were 30 cents. So, I would have liked to find the big packs of these for 25 cents, but I guess they don't do that anymore. And then I got this purple color, which also I can't read at all, but that's what it is. Maybe we can, I don't know. But it's like a grapey purple. So got 4 of those, and they had like a dark gray, but I have plenty of gray paper, so I didn't get them. And then the only other thing I got at Ollie's, I know this is so boring, are these 2 Zig two-way glue thingies. And these are kind of cool. I've used Zig glue before, but not this kind. And the way it works is when applying for a long-lasting bond, use when glue is blue and wet. And for a dry bond, a temporary bond, in a few moments it turns clear, and then you can use it then, and then it can re-stick it. So I thought that was fun. If you guys have used that, let me know if that works out well. I like Zig, so I thought that was a great deal. And those were $1 each. And I actually had a 15% off coupon in my email from Ollie's because I signed up for their, rewards. And so I used that. So this whole thing was like, I don't know, less than $4. So that is all I got from Ollie's. I know that is really boring and I wish I could have found better stuff, but that's it. I wanted to show you a couple other things I got. Oh, I got these cute sheets from Marshalls.com. And look at these. They're called like Coquette Santa. And they're pink, of course. And they have these cute Santas on there with candy canes and trees and all sorts of cute stuff. So these were $29.99. I think they're sold out right now, but I'll link it anyway. Well, the Queen is. They had twin and full last time I looked. The Queen and King were sold out, but it's just really nice, like, jersey kind of fabric. So wanted to show you those. And then from Target, I got a bunch of books. And these are all in a series. This is the latest one. This one just came out last week. It's called The Gingerbread Bakery by Lori Gilmore. And she has a whole series of books, but they're individual, like you don't have to read one and then the other. You can read them separately. So I thought these would be great for the blind date with a book. And Deb had sent me a blind date with a book as a gift, and I just loved it. I thought it was the best deal or best idea. So yeah, I thought that these would be good. And this one I'm either going to give to my daughter or my sister. Both have birthdays next week. And I'm going to wrap this up with like gingerbread kind of theme things, like gingerbread tea and gingerbread bookmark. And I just thought that would be nice to keep the theme. And I also got this one by the same author, an older one, the Cinnamon Bun Bookstore. Again, use like cinnamon sticks or, cinnamon tea. And then the other one I got is the Pumpkin Spice Cafe. And yeah, just going with the themes I thought would be really cute and change up my stamps when I stamp my paper and the trims and everything. So I got these, and these were, I think they were $11 or $12 each at Target. It says they're $18.99, the list price, but Target's always 20% off. And yeah, I have a Target Circle card, so I got a discount on those too. So yeah, I picked those up. I haven't read these before, but I hear they're good. My sister is actually reading. I think she's reading this one right now, and she says it's good. It's cute. It's like nice light reading. So perfect for the blind date with the book thing, I think. So again, Deb, thank you so much for the idea. I just love it. And that is all I wanted to share with you haul-wise this week. My husband's doing really good. Thank you guys for asking about him. Next week, he's going to get to test out his new leg, so he's very excited about that. And Millie will be out of quarantine when you guys see this, if you watch it on Friday. Friday is her day that we're breaking her out of my daughter's room and introducing her to the other cat, so I'll let you know how that goes. And let's see, last weekend, I told you my dad and stepmom were visiting, so they came here Wednesday to Thursday, and then they went to Buffalo and Niagara Falls. They went to visit some Frank Lloyd Wright houses in Buffalo, so that was, they loved it. They had a great time. And in Niagara Falls, of course, is spectacular. If you've never been, it's definitely worth a trip. And then they came back here on Saturday, and Saturday we just hung out at home. We grilled hamburgers and hot dogs, and we had local corn for dinner. Then on Sunday we went to a Syracuse Mets game, and they are like the farm team for the New York Mets, so that was really, really fun. My dad is a huge baseball fan, especially the Mets, so that worked out great. And then Monday we went to Cooperstown, which is a town about an hour and a half east of us. And that's where the baseball museum is, the Baseball Hall of Fame. And that was great. And I like baseball, but I think it would be really interesting, even if you just want to know like the history of it, and you could see like, Babe Ruth's uniforms and, Hank Aaron's gloves and things like that. And there are really great films and displays. And we just had a wonderful time. It was a beautiful day. We went out to lunch. And yeah, it was fun. Me and my husband and my dad and stepmom went. So I've been busy, catching up with videos. I've got design team projects I'm working on for Scrap Diva Designs and KS Craft, so more to come there. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for, sticking around if you got this far. I appreciate you listening to me ramble. But I will show you how my blind date with the book packages come out. I've never done them before, but I'm going to watch some tutorials and piece them together and see, come up with something nice, I think. All right, you guys, I will talk to you later. Please let me know what you're up to, what you thought of this video. If I forget to link anything, I'll try not to, but if I forget to, please let me know. And please subscribe if you haven't yet. It'd be nice to have you here at my channel or on my channel, and welcome. Thanks for everyone who comes back week after week. You guys are the best, and have a great weekend. I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.